Hello and namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Today, let us take a tour of Zostel Mumbai. This is the locality right in front, wherein we have an iron shop and a small kirana store. As soon as you enter, there is a map with major attractions in Mumbai. Right next to it, we have the luggage room and a board with all the fun game night that's planned for the day. Then we have the working area and reception. So, right next to it is where you have all the dorm rooms. So, in case you're a solo traveler like me, hi guys. In case you're a solo traveler like me, this is where you'll get your dorms allocated. There are quite a few of them actually because hostel is specifically for solo travelers. Then inside we have the cafeteria, which is also the chilling section. There's a little bit of greenery, and as you walk inside, it's actually quite spacious for Mumbai standards, I must say. As you walk a little bit inside, here is where we have all the private rooms. In case you're traveling as a couple or in groups of three or such, this is where you'll be getting your rooms in both ground and first floor. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.